All right, Brett coming to you live from mid-Michigan, and I've got to reduce some of the snowmobile inventory. I've got this 1981 Ski-Doo Blizzard 5500, this 86 Phaser. In the garage there, you can see a 91 Phaser too. And in storage, I still have a 2000 Phaser and a 97 Indy Trail. So I've got to reduce the snowmobiles down to 4. Currently I have 5, and I've got to get rid of two place trailers. So we're willing to wheel and deal. Now let's start with the 81 Blizzard. Really don't want to sell this. I looked forever for a Blizzard like this, tried to find a clean one, but I'm willing to get rid of it at if the price is right. If not, I'd be more than happy to keep it because this one is nice. You can see here 1,752 miles on an 81 Blizzard 5500, and it's in great condition. I'm going to lift up the hood here. So the 81 5500 is a fan-cooled 500cc twin Mikuni, and you can see this one's really clean. And it runs strong as well. Could I have you hold that? I'll fire it up. So, as you can see, runs real good. Started right up cold. Like I say, I really don't want to get rid of this. I looked forever to find a clean one like this, but if the price is right, I will let her go. Okay, 86 Phaser, fun snowmobile. Love the Phasers. I've got, like I say, I've got that 92 right there. I've got a 2000 Phaser. I don't want to say Phasers are indestructible, but they're just on the other side of indestructible. Fun to ride, fun to toss around. This one has 5,000 miles on it, which honestly, folks, is not bad for a Phaser. That one's got 7,000 miles on it, and I can't remember what the 2000 has. But again, it's in good condition. It's got a little bit of trail rash on it. But it's a nice sled. It's fun to ride. It's got plenty of power. And she runs good as well. Starts right up, first pull. It's a Yamaha, what can I say? Yamaha's run great. So, willing to get rid of the 86 Phaser, the 81 Blizzard. Definitely need to get rid of the trailers. I have two place trailers. They both have excellent tires on them. They pull great. All the lights work. They're tilt trailers. So everything's going to be posted. All the ads are going to be posted. We're willing to wheel and deal. I've got to reduce the inventory, folks. Thanks for watching my video. Have a great day.